Today board discuss about the chapter once again partial fraction. This is part number 5. Here once again f of x by g of x be a proper fraction. Already three cases completed. Here first case f of x is a non-repeated linear factor. Second case g of x is a non-repeated linear factor. Second case g of x is a repeated linear factor. Third case g of x is a non-repeated irreducible polynomial. In this fourth case g of x contain repeated or non-repeated irreducible factors only corresponding to every repeated quadratic factor ax plus bx plus c whole power m form. Here ax square plus bx plus c whole power m. Here ax square plus bx plus c is a irreducible polynomial. Power m nothing but this polynomial repeated m times. Then this is called non-repeated irreducible polynomial. Here what is the meaning of irreducible polynomial? Irreducible polynomial nothing but the polynomial cannot be divided to factors form, linear factors form, or the polynomial having no real root, that is called irreducible polynomial. Here irreducible polynomial repeated nothing but number of times, here m times are repeated. Then g of x, there exists the partial fraction of the form a1x plus b1y by ax square plus bx plus c whole power 1 plus a2x plus b2 whole by ax square plus bx plus c whole square plus and so on amx plus bm by ax square plus bx plus c whole power m. Here a1 a2 a3 and so on am and bm b1 b2 b3 also bm are real numbers. Right. Next examples of a repeated quadratic form. Here repeated quadratic form are x square plus 1 whole square. Here x square plus 1 is irreducible polynomial. This x square plus 1 irreducible polynomial repeated 2 times, then this is called non-repeated reducible polynomial. Here next x cube plus 2 x square plus 2 whole power 4. Here x square plus 2 also be irreducible polynomial. Power 4 nothing but this irreducible polynomial repeated 4 times, then this is called repeated. Here x square plus 1 into x square plus 3 whole square. Here x square plus 1 is the non-repeated irreducible polynomial. X square plus 3 whole square is the repeated irreducible polynomial. This is the examples of the non-repeated and repeated irreducible polynomials. Here repeated irreducible polynomials having more than one time. More than one time, that is called repeated. That is repeated irreducible polynomial. Right. Next, discuss about in this case problems. Take examples. Repeated irreducible polynomial. First of all, write down x square plus 1 upon x square plus x plus 1 whole square. First of all, given fraction is proper fraction or not. Here, what is the degree of numerator? 2. The degree of denominator is 2 2s are 4. Here 2 by 4 is proper fraction. Here 2 by 4 is proper fraction, then given rational fraction is proper fraction. Okay. Next, here this proper fraction equal to f of x by g of x. Then f of x is equal to x square plus 1. G of x is equal to x square plus x plus 1 whole square. Here g of x is x square plus x plus 1 is a irreducible polynomial. Whole square nothing but a repeated irreducible polynomial. After that, this can be known as f of x by g of x is equal to x square plus 1 whole by x square plus x1 plus 1 whole square is equal to, here repeated we can write ax plus b by x square plus x plus 1 whole power 1 plus cx plus d by x square plus x plus 1 whole square. Here this irreducible polynomial repeated 2 times, you can write 2 times. This is equation number 1. After that, simplify RHS part. Here LHS part what? X square plus 1 by x square plus x plus 1 whole square is equal to, take LCM. X square plus x plus 1 whole square is LCM. Here x square plus x plus 1 is there. There x plus b multiplied with x square plus x plus 1 plus cx plus b multiplied with 1. After that, both denominators are same. Cancel them. X square plus 1 equal to ax plus b into x square plus x plus 1 plus cx plus d. This is equation number 2. In equation 2, expanding on both sides. Expanding on both sides. But here x square plus x plus 1 is irreducible polynomial. What is the meaning of irreducible polynomial? Irreducible polynomial having no real roots. Then this cannot be equal to 0. That's why this equation expanding on both sides. After that, x square plus 1 equal to a into x into x square plus x plus 1 plus b into x square plus x plus 1 plus cx plus d. After that, a into x cube, x into x square, x cube plus x into x square plus x into 1 x plus b into x square plus x plus 1 plus cx plus b. This is totally equal to x square plus 1. Here, first of all, common here highest degree is x cube. X cube terms can be common. What is the x cube term here? Ax cube. Only one x cube term is there. Here x square, next x square terms is common. Here x square term is a. Here b. A plus b plus. Here next x terms in here x term is coefficient is a. Here x coefficient is b. Here x coefficient is c. A plus b plus c into x. Next constants. Here no constant term is there. Here only one constant term is there. Then we can write d. Here constant term is d. This is equation number 3. In equation 3, comparing on both sides. Comparing on both sides. Highest degree what is x cube? Coefficient of x cube terms. What is the coefficient of x cube in LHS part? Here LHS part, no x cube term is there, then equal to 0. Next RHS part, x cube coefficient is a, we can write a is equal to 0. After that, comparing on both sides, coefficient of x square terms. Here coefficient of x square terms in LHS part is 1. 1 equal to RHS part coefficient of x square is a plus b. You know that a value what is 0. 1 equal to 0 plus b, then b is equal to 1. After that, comparing on both sides x terms, comparing on both sides coefficient of x terms, coefficient of x of LHS part is not there, then you can write 0. RHS part coefficient of x is a plus b plus c. You know that a value is 0, you know that b value 1. 0 equal to a value 0 plus b value 1 plus c. 1 plus c equal to 0, you get c is equal to minus 1. After that, comparing on both sides constant terms. Here, what is the constant of LHS part? 1 is equal to constant term of RHS part is b plus d. Here, what is the value of b? 1. 1 equal to 1 plus d. 1 get cancelled, then d equal to 0. You get all values. You got a value 0, b value 1, c value minus 1, d value 0. In equation 1, substituted a is equal to 0, b is equal to 1, c is equal to minus 1, d is equal to 0. You get what is the equation 1 here? Equation 1 implies f of x by g of x is equal to x square plus 1 upon x square plus x plus 1 whole square is equal to ax. What is the value of a? 0 into x plus b value is 1 by x square plus x plus 1 plus c value minus 1 into x plus d equal to 0. After that, denominator is x square plus x plus 1 whole square. This can be written as 0 into x equal to 0. You can write 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 by x square plus x plus 1 plus minus x by x square plus x plus 1 whole square. This can be written as 1 by x square plus x plus 1 plus into minus x by x square plus x plus 1 whole square. This is a partial fraction. This is also the partial fraction. These two fractions are partial fractions of the given rational fraction. This is the case 4. Case 4 is the repeated irreducible polynomials. Do that similar way. Assignment problems. Write down only one assignment problem. X cube plus x square plus 1 whole by x minus 1 into x cube minus 1. First of all, check this is proper fraction or not. Here the degree of numerator is 3, the degree of denominator 3 plus 1 is 4. Here 3 by 4 is proper fraction. Then this is proper fraction. Next, x cube minus 1 cube equal to x minus 1 into x square plus x plus 1. This formula is there. Write down in this place. X cube plus x square plus 1 by x minus 1 into x cube minus 1 value. X minus 1 into x square plus x plus 1. After that, x cube plus x square plus 1 whole by x minus 1 into x minus 1, x minus 1 whole square into x square plus x plus 1. Here x minus 1 whole square is repeated linear factor, second case. Here x square plus x plus 1 is non-repeated irreducible. You can write a by x minus 1 plus b by x minus 1 whole square plus this is non-repeated reducible. You can write cx plus d by x square plus x plus 1. Here a comma b comma c comma d are real numbers. Do that same way.